Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Today we are going to be back at the lot. We're going to be hanging out here for about 2 hours. Get a little practice in with the wheelies. Thought I'd bring you guys along with me. Appreciate everybody who's been liking, commenting, subscribing on everything. You guys are sick. Really appreciate that. It really helps the channel grow. Oh man, this thing is dope. Look at this. It's so pretty. Alright, well, let's get to it. Now I should be able to sync that up, no problem. Make sure we got a good angle. Beautiful. Alright, let's do this, guys. I know that I'm not gonna get this like first try. Oh. And it's gonna take a lot of that to get to the point. But it's so fun. Like, this is fun. To red line. I think I dumped it a little late. I think all my plastics are like rattling. I'm not sure. Something to worry about for later. I'm glad that I had time to come back here so soon, because last time all my shit was fucked. Yeah, this thing's rattling. Can't do nothing about that right now. I'm gonna try to stand up. Like I said, that's not as scary. Because you're like on the bike here. That was a good one. I needed more high, but... Whoa. That was the best stand-up I've ever done. That was pretty cool though, not gonna lie. Damn, it's hot today. Damn, boy. But I feel like I'm getting better. Like, it's not like I'm staying the same. Ooh, the line caught me. The line caught me and like made me wanna. Whoo. I got scared of it. Oh, that's scary. Whew. Dude, this thing's gonna need a rebuild soon. There is no way that it's just gonna keep taking it the way I've been doing this. Dude, I feel like something's rattling around in there. That would kind of suck if it's my engine. Hey. Let's put it on its side and see if we can see anything. Ugh. Lay down, baby. It's okay. Just lay down. Yeah, I don't... Nothing's loose that I can see. I don't know. Okay. Scary, dude. I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get it. Choppy on the throttle. If I wasn't choppy on the throttle, I totally could keep that up a little longer. Ooh, almost lost my grip there. That would have been bad. I like this little lot. Everybody's staring. They're not used to this. Little town of Matthews. Oh shit. Damn. There's always a casualty. There's always some type of casualty. Look at this. Look at this. Always some type of casualty. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. I can already see that. Damn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little wire. Fuck. I don't know what we're gonna do about this. We're gonna send it through here. And it's gonna scratch up my 12 bar, and I'm just gonna deal with it. Oh well. I don't really even need this thing. I don't ever run a plate anyway. But whatever. Crisis averted. Dude, I'm sweating. This is... Ooh. It's that first little hezzy. That little bit of hesitation at the beginning, dude. We're gonna go for second gear. I think we need a little try this little number. Holy shit. Oh. Oh my god. You really gotta yank for a second. You really gotta yank for a second. Oh, I'm not ready for that. Realistically, I'm just using these lines that are cut in the ground, or like broken into the ground. So like, I always try and get from here to here. That's like my first goal, and then I just keep going for the lines. So that's why I like this spot so much. It's like I don't have to do anything, and the lines are always here. Everything kind of, what would you call it? It's the same every time. There's less variables. That's, yeah. I can get used to it. So, you know, like right here. Got to that line, so now I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was this line. Pretty sure it was that line right there. So now I want to try and get to that line. That is my next line, right before the Miller Lite can. But I try and pick it up at the same spot every time. Not quite. Ooh, that one came up. Switching, that's scary. Dude, there's like this much room, like that fucking much room that you can let it fall before it just is gonna come back down. The balance point is so tiny, I think. Okay, so is everybody popping it up and then straight onto the brake? I don't know. But I watch him, and he said to look over the side. Maybe we'll try that. Okay. No. No. I don't like that idea either. Because then I feel like I'm leaning this way. I can't see how high the wheel is. I can see how high the wheel is better that way, 100%. And I'm not getting up. He said the wheel is supposed to be like at my head. I guess that's it. Nope. This shit is hard. Oh, that popped up quick. That's popped up real quick. Alright, everybody down in the comments, let me know how the fuck I'm doing. Am I doing okay? Like, what are your tips? Your concerns with how I'm doing this? Stall. I want to know. I want to know what everybody thinks on the progress that I've made so far. I mean, I know I got a long way to go, but I feel like I'm getting the grasp of it. I was riding this morning in Charlotte with this guy. He had an MT, super sick. I thought it was I thought it was pretty cool. He just got off of a Grom, and he had his MT like 2 months. And he said he only had his Grom for like 2 months too. But bro was killing it. He's from Texas. He was killing it. He was on it. We rode around a little bit. He told me that I need to pick it up higher. I'm not high enough. That is my big deal. I'm not standing tall enough with it. So I appreciate all of you guys for still tuning in. You guys are sick. I promise lots more lot days to come. This is basically going to be the spot I'm going to be chilling at from now on. So I appreciate all of you. You're all awesome. Thank you everybody for commenting, subscribing, liking all the videos. I appreciate all of your support. Again, please, down in the comments, let me know. Let me know what am I doing wrong? What suggestions could you guys make to me as far as trying to learn how to wheelie? If you don't know how to wheelie or don't have at least a YouTube video of how to do it, you know, or you can't prove that you're a legend, then, you know, whatever. I don't care. Do what you're gonna do. Alright, yo. All y'all have a good day. Be safe. Peace.